Alright, we're going to go ahead and go over the aseptic technique. The first thing I would do is I would take both the test tubes and put them in my hand in a V formation, having one with the sample away from my body. We would then take our inoculating loop and hold it at a 45-degree angle and go ahead and run it across our flame. We'd be flaming the loop, waiting until it got red hot, making sure that we get it nice and sterile. From there, we would go ahead and aseptically remove the caps while keeping them in our hand, not letting them touch any other surface. Then we would run the neck of the tubes across the flame. We wouldn't hold them in it for a long time, we would just pass them through it. We would do that with each. And we would just pass this one across the flame. Once that is complete, we would go ahead and use our inoculating loop that has already been sterilized. And go ahead and dip it into the culture tube and receive our loop of culture, our inoculum. And go ahead and just get that and bring it right back out. Now we would take that inoculum and we would transfer it into our fresh tube. And as we put it in there, we would just streak it across and then take it right back out. All right, now from there, before we recap the tubes, we would definitely run them across the flame one more time. Briefly, not holding it in the flame, but just running it across. And then we would recap our tubes with the proper tubes that they were originally on. And then of course the very last thing we would do is reflame the loop to make sure that that was sterile and we don't contaminate our working surface.